Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. This is MTV Alex. How you doing today? And in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to replace the air filter on your car. This car in particular is a 2011 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport, but it's the same principle for many other cars. So this video actually was shot right before I started uploading all my mountain bike videos. So it's been a while, a few months already. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let's go ahead and get this done. Hey YouTube, how you doing today? Today I'm gonna show you how to change the air filter on the 2011 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. Can also work for any of the same model. It's basically for any type of vehicle. Might be different in some cases, but this one is pretty simple, so stay tuned. So this one is pretty simple. All you have is two tabs. Some other vehicles you might have a couple of screws, 3 or 4 screws, depending on the type of filter that you have. This one is, like I said, really simple. Pull the two tabs and this filter comes out really easy, just like that. As you can see on this one, the gasket was already messed up. It didn't even fit all the way. It seems like the last person who changed it didn't put it right, damaged the gasket. As you can see, the gasket should be all the way around the perimeter of this air filter. So for this application, I bought a K&N high flow air filter. It's one of the washables, reusable ones. And for this one, for this specific model, I have, let's see, that is the filter number 332392, and I got this on Amazon, next day delivery or something like that. You can find them on AutoZone, Walmart, any other auto parts store. So once you have this out, you gotta check what way the air comes in, and in this case the air comes from here, so it flows from here this way into the intake. So you gotta pay attention to that because the filter is labeled like that. If you look at this one, this is a paper one. This is where the air comes in and it goes out this way, so you gotta put it like this. So I'm gonna do the same thing with the filter that I got. Okay, this is really neat. I have the same filter on my Outlander, on the Mitsubishi Eclipse, and also on my Ram. Over there I also have a K&N filter. It's an oil filter, and as you can see, it's K&N. The airflow, the gasket on this one is a little bit different, so it's way better. It's like $50 something. So once you have it in like this, go ahead and put it in there nice and tight. Wiggle it, just make sure it's in, and then you can lock it into place. And that's it guys. If you have any questions, any other suggestions, if you know how to clean this type of air filters, leave it in the comments below. And that's it for this one. So as always guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. That's it. Have a good day and see you next time. Bye bye.